your out and just relax this. Now, you should have felt that all the way down. Yeah. Okay. Okay, just drop your head in my hands. There you go. Okay, I got one more. Drop it in my hand. How'd I know that? Okay, good. Oh, yeah. There we go. You feel that all the way down? Yeah. Okay. And yes, he is still kicking, see? So I'm going to do a Palmer diversified rotary brake on him. Okay. Let it go. There we go. Good. And I want you to keep your jaw closed for me. Keep your teeth together. Take a real deep breath through your nose. Let all of your air out and relax. There we go. Did you feel that all the way down to the base of your spine?
Oh, yes.
Okay, good. Just relax your head in my hand. There we go. His vertebrae about as big as my tires on my car. Yeah. Just like that. Boy. Home run. I got you. There we go. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay, take a breath through your nose, Yolanda. And relax. Oh, yeah.
No.
Did you feel that all the way down?
Oh, yes.
Yep. Well, you screamed louder today than you did the first time. That's all right.
Oh.
You did good, though. Relax this right in my hand. I got you. Drop in my hand. There you go. Cervical spine. Yep, both sides. That's good. Breathe. Oh, yeah. You feel that all the way down, Eddie?
Yeah.
Good. Let me have your neck. Drop it in my hand. Perfect. Boy, that was perfect. Yes, sir. Good man. Just breathe through your nose. Oh, yeah. Not hang over, hanging on. There we go. Yes, very nice. And relax it out and relax. Oh, yeah.
Oh, my Lord.
Yep. Okay, let it go in my hand. Good. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah. Okay. Nope, let me have you here. There we go, better. Nice and deep. There you go, one more time. Oh, yeah.
That's a good one.
Yep. Okay. There we go. Okay. Wrap this right around your occiput. And she's just going to breathe normal. I'll catch her. Just like that. Did you feel that all the way down?
Uh-huh.
Yep. Okay, drop this one in my hand. That's it. Oh, yeah. Good. And don't think about anything. There you go. Good. Feel that all the way down?
Yeah. He's like, yeah, I don't like it no more.
There you go. Just take some deep breaths and relax. There you go. Wiggle your right big toe now. There you go. Boy, oh boy.
Oh, I needed that one.
Yes, sir. Been a while, huh?
Oh, I needed that in a long time.
Take a nice deep breath through your nose. There you go. Feel that all the way down?
Yeah.
Here we go. I got you. Oh, yeah. Yep. Okay, just let this go in my hand. Perfect. Good job. Take a deep breath through your nose. Let it all out. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Now I'm adjusting up here all the way up at her atlas. Perfect. Good job. There we go. And Respita. And Relajate. And relax. Oh, yeah. You feel that all the way down? Okay, Respita. And just keep breathing. Take a deep breath in. Let it all the way out. There we go. Good. You feel that all the way down? Good. So you have to feel the patient's range of motion. And there we go. I still got one over here to the right I can feel. Tilt right just a little bit. There we go. Good. How did I know that? There we go. Good. Keep your teeth together. Let all your air out now and just relax. There you go. There you go. Now you should have felt that all the way down, did you? Just take a deep breath through your nose. Relax it all out. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the normal reaction we get. That's an OMG for sure. I call it the ring dinger because it gets everything. Okay, so keep your teeth together for me. And nice deep breaths. There you go. Nice and smooth. There it is. Yeah, it's getting easier, huh?
Oh, yeah.
You do better now than you did before.
Oh, God.
Yeah. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
Oh, my God.
Perfect. Brooks like Renee. She's crackalicious. For all our crack addict fans around the
Oh,
world.
my God.
Excellent. Yep. Didn't miss one, did we? Did you feel that all the way down?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yeah. Okay, let's get your neck while we're doing this. I got you. Perfect. Yes, ma'am. Good job. Let it all out. There we go. Good. Let your neck go in my hand here. That's perfect. When you can let go like that, it's going to be a lot better. Good. Oh, yeah. I know that was a home run.
That was it.
Yes, sir. See? Flip them there.
I think I saw someone call you Clint Eastwood or something yesterday.
Yeah, you see all kinds of comments. We appreciate y'all commenting on our videos. Just be nice to our patients. There we go. That's it. Oh yeah, that's what they love. That's why I never talk when I'm doing those. Let it all out. Oh yeah. Home run. Now let me get your neck here first. That's the way. Nope, let me have this one tilt left a little bit. Okay. Let all your out. Good girl. Now you felt that all the way down, didn't you? Keep breathing. Yeah. You're still kicking. You're alright. Okay. The initial soreness that you get from this adjustment. So, you guys have any ideas or suggestions, supports? We're still taking emails and questions on that. There we go. Boy, that was perfect. Felt that all the way down, didn't you?
I did.
Yep. That they had like 110-degree Cobb angle scoliosis curve in their spine. There we go. Okey-dokey. Nice deep breath in. Oh yeah, good job. Okay, drop this in my hand. Perfect. Yep, good job. Just like that.
Oh, my God.
I got that lower one right there though. You feel that? Mm-hmm. There we go. Oh yeah. Home run. Felt that one all the way down, didn't you?
Oh yeah.
Good deal. Okay, now let me just have your head in my hands. That's it. Very good. Okay. Just like that. See, that was smooth as silk, wasn't it? And yes, she is still kicking. That was smooth though, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Good. Perfect. And that's the only kind of people I like dealing with is truthful, honest people. Not scammers and people that steal my money. And exhale. And just relax. Oh, yeah. There it is right there. Let this go right in my hands. Perfect. Oh, yeah. There you go. See how I got down low and level with that? There you go. Take some deep ones. He's still connected. I know. It's painful at first. There you go. Keep breathing. Yeah. And let me have your head completely. Wiggle your right big toe. Okay, that's not it. There it is. Okay. No, you're not letting me have you. Just let it go right in my hand. Wiggle your left big toe. There you go. Good. And nice deep breath through your nose. There we go. Oh yeah. Good. So we're going to adjust his cervical spine now with a Palmer diversified rotary brake. There you go. Perfect. Good job. There we go. We read y'all's comments because they come to my email. There we go. Good. Let it all the way out. Oh yeah. Home run. There we go. Oh yeah, the crackheads are gonna love you. Keep your teeth together. Let all your air out. Yeah, good. Did you feel that all the way down? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. You did good on that. You didn't scream near as loud as the last guy. Okay, just let your head relax. You're right in my hands. Good. Same thing here. There we go. Good. Okay, so we're going to wrap this around his occiput and his mandible. Oh, yeah. Boy, that was a home run.
Woo!
The bigger they are, the harder they have to pull. That was a good one, though.
Yes, it was.
Okay, just let your head go right in my hand here. Tilt right just a little bit. Better. Good. Now let me have you left. Move your right big toe. There you go. Good job. And then I'm going to get my contact at the occiput, not the neck. And I do a straight vertical lift on the y-axis. Perfect. I know you heard that one. All the way over there. Excellent. She moved from her skull all the way down to her pelvis on that one. Perfect. Still kicking too. Now this is great. This is a Palmer diversified master rotary brake. Keep breathing normal. There you go.
Oh my!
You feel that all the way down? Deep breath. Okay, just relax this one in my hands. Perfect. That's it. Good.
Take a deep breath in for me. All the way out. Very good. Come in through T5. Take a deep breath in. All the way out. Very good.